Right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Jungle of Physics here today with on Physics is Fun. Today your hosts are Chad Burnett and Marms. Today's special guests will be Sean and Stude. Well, let's start the show here with Chad and Marms.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chad Burnett.
I'm Marms.
And today we'd like to perform some experiments for you. All right. Our first experiment tonight
Is the traditional pull the tablecloth from underneath the dishes. And what precautions do we have to take before?
Well, there's several precautions we have to take. First of all, we have to make sure that the tablecloth that we use is thin enough and it can't have any creases. It's got to be able to be really frictionless so you can move things real easy on it.
Also, don't the settings have to be heavy?
They have to be heavy enough
Very heavy.
so you can pull this sheet out from under these glasses.
Why don't you demonstrate for us, Chad?
Okay, I'd be happy to.
Are you getting this?
Now, you've got to be careful. You've got to grab it by the edges. Make sure the table places are all right. They're both heavy enough. There's no water. I like to repeat, there are no water in these glasses.
Just as a safety precaution.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
All right. And the
All right.
glasses are still standing.
Thank you, thank you. Now that just goes to prove that if you're going to pull the sheet hard enough, the glasses will stay on the table.
Camera.
Anyway, should we try it with water?
Let's try with water.
All right, we'll try it with water. Put the sheet back on the table.
All right.
I'll be out here.
Set that up.
There we go. Wait, hang on. We gotta. Sure. There we go. Got a glass of water in it. And just in case, we'll put Sean's mother's good china glass on.
Wait a minute, guys. I don't know about that.
What?
You guys sure?
What's wrong? You
don't
what's
want
wrong
to
with
use
this?
Not that I don't trust you or nothing.
You don't care. Well.
Oh, just put it away. We
okay.
don't need it.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're gonna try it with water this time. Marms, would you like to do it or?
Sure.
Okay. You've got to pull it very quickly. You need lightning quick reflexes.
And also in a downward motion.
Downward, it's got to be downward jerk. It's got to be a
Ouch.
jerk. It's got to be incredibly fast.
All right.
Hang on, you got some. And also make sure there are no wrinkles in the bed sheet. Ooh.
Okay, we had some complications.
Now we can talk
Well.
about the complications.
Wait a minute. Let's check that one out in slow mo, shall we? Should
You
we
bet,
check
yeah.
both those trials out in
Yeah.
slow mo?
Yeah,
Let's
go,
see that.
go ahead.
Sorry about that mess.
No problem. Okay, folks. First of all, we saw what happened to Mike when he tried to do this little trick. He blew it. There are several reasons why I blew it. First one was I didn't get all the wrinkles out of the sheet. And some of those, as he pulled it down, the wrinkles may have hit it and caused it to tumble. Another reason is the glass, even with the water in it, is still not heavy enough. See? It's not very heavy. See, I'm lifting it. And another thing is the bottom of this glass compared to the bottom of this glass has much more surface area, plus much more weight, which makes it a better prop for this kind of trick. Very good, Mike.
Can we try this again?
Now we're going to try this one more time. I will take this glass, since we can't use it, off the table. I'd like to point out another thing you did wrong. When you pulled, as we saw in the slow-mo picture, you pulled out, therefore causing wrinkles and stuff, you know.
Also upward, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was an upward out motion.
Well, no, we just like to tell the class out there that that was planned, and Mike can do this anytime he wants.
Anytime I want.
Anytime he wants.
So.
But I'll do it this time, okay? to show everybody the correct procedure.
Well, but I can do it anytime
He can
I
do
want.
it, yeah.
But I'll let you have it just for.
Yeah, he
for
can do
sake.
it.
Go ahead.
Okay. I'll try it again. This time, observe when I pull down. You got to pull down fast on the sheet, and everything will stay on the table. Hopefully. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. See, it's easy like it's easy as pie.
Should we check that in slow-mo?
Nah. You wanna?
No.
No.
We have to move on with the show.
Yeah, we need to move on with the show. Okay, now we'd like to welcome our guest star.
Our special guest
special
today.
guest tonight, Aaron Studer. Aaron,
Dude.
come on stage here.
Thank you.
What do you think of the tablecloth?
What do you think of the tablecloth
trick?
I thought that was pretty neat. I liked how you demonstrated that.
No.
Are you a member with our fan club?
Yeah, sure am. Been
That's good.
15 long years.
Okay, let's move on to the next experiment. What do you say?
Okay.
Our next experiment tonight is, well, would you like to describe it, Aaron?
Well, you take these coins, any coins you want.
What kind of coins are those?
These are nickels. These are various years. You set them on your elbow.
Does it matter what year they are?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, thank you.
As long as, you get weight differential. You don't get that.
Okay.
You set them on your elbow, and depending on where you set them, usually I just set them towards the end.
Why would you set them towards the end?
It's a little easier.
Is it okay?
And then kind of,
Should we stand back?
well, maybe I should, yeah. Maybe I should get them to balance on my elbow first. Then we'll try this.
Are you using pennies? Is that
No,
or nickels? Nickel. Oh, he said that before. Okay.
Yeah.
My mistake.
And then you just do that and catch all six.
And we got all the nickels there.
Chad,
All right.
what factors make this easier and what factors make them harder?
Well, Mike, it comes again to surface area, I believe, and the same thing with the table.
Should we try that one more time? Should we just?
Sure. I want to try it somewhere a little different this time.
Try spreading them out a little bit.
Okay.
Move them also more up on your arm,
Like that?
towards your hand.
Yeah, there you go.
Up. Now we had some complications there.
Factor of
Okay.
making them harder.
Okay,
Now-
I think we should check that on slow-mo.
You sure you want to see that in slow mo?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, let's check it out in slow motion.
Okay.
That was a great slow-mo shot. Good job, Sean.
Thank you.
Okay, Aaron, can you tell us why the first time you caught him, but the second time you didn't? Can you describe?
Yeah, I sure can. Well, when I had the coins on here, and I brought down my arm, I was bringing it down like this, so the coins actually were almost staying stationary as I brought down my arm so I could collapse them. But on the second, what?
Doesn't that represent inertia?
Yes, it does, Mike. Thank you. And the second time, when I had them spread out, and the one up here farther and off to the left, I brought down my arm, and it was off, so when I tried to collapse them, I hit them with my pinky and knocking them astray.
That's very good, Aaron. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for being on the show.
Thank you for
Hey,
having me.
dude.
Have a good
Thank
day.
Sweet.
Have a good life.
Yeah, see you later.
Later.
All right, that was great. So let's go over what we learned today.
Okay.
All right. The first one was with the tablecloth, and we learned that there are certain laws of physics you have to obey to be able to keep the place settings on the table.
Yeah, we went over that. And that demonstrated, what law was that? I believe it was inertia.
Inertia, yes, it was inertia. Inertia's a good law.
It is.
Yeah. I like inertia.
I
And,
always liked it.
The second one,
Dealt with coins.
which
and,
was inertia also, the law of inertia.
Dealt with the law of inertia also.
It also dealt with the surface area. I mean, the more close in together, I mean, the more they're going to be in one place.
Higher up when you bring it down, it's just you're not
Yeah,
going to catch it.
the higher you go up, you're just not going to be able to do it.
It's,
I'd like to thank Aaron for being on the show and
He flew in from Sioux Falls.
Sioux Falls. And we'd also like to thank Sean Coyne. Sean, want to take a bow?
You want to come here?
Come on out here, Sean.
Sure, guys.
This is
Sean Coyne right here. He filmed.
he's our cameraman.
He's a cameraman. He's a good kid. He's a good kid. Hey, Mars. He enjoys physics. You want to say anything about physics?
I love physics.
Physics is
Physics
fun.
is great. I couldn't
Physics
without
is
it.
fun.
Physics, yeah, physics. You know what? The funny thing, Chad, is, you know, since this is sort of a project, I wouldn't mind getting full credit on it.
Yeah. Me either.
Do you guys mean like an 8 on this?
Yeah.
That would suffice very nicely
Full
considering
credit, 8.
All the hard work that
I
went into
spent
this.
long enough on it.
2.5 hours, I believe.
It's been-
Hey, well, let's get back and let's close the show. Thanks
Yeah.
a lot, Sean. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
well,
appreciate it. Appreciate Aaron. Appreciate you, Mike. I appreciate you.
I'm Mars.
Hey, that's great. That's great.
You are
Chad, I'm Chad.
for Physics is fun.
And we'd like to thank you all for watching and putting up with our show. And we'll see you again next week. And remember,
Be careful out there in the jungle.
be careful. Jungle, physics is a jungle. Have a nice day.
Bye.